What's up, fellas? Back again with another video. You know, nature has a way of making us feel relaxed, energized, and at peace, doesn't it? You know, Hippocrates, widely known as the father of medicine, said nature itself is the best physician. And oh, how I agree. So today we're going to be talking about the beautiful Los Termales de Santa Rosa de Cabal, or the hot springs of Santa Rosa de Cabal. Now, Santa Rosa de Cabal is actually a town, and the hot springs are located about 6 miles away from the town. Now, for more of a reference point, it's located 15 miles from Pereira, Colombia, and about 130 miles south of Medellin. Now, these hot springs or these thermal waters are said to be rich in minerals and is the product of a volcanic system where the water that is entered deep into the earth is now being expelled outward. And as that water is expelled outward, it's coming out at a temperature of about 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, these hot springs at Santa Rosa de Cabal, they channel that water to 3 of thermal pools where the water is said to be about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And the water feels warm, it's nice, it's soothing. In some of the footage, you can see the steam coming from the pool, but don't worry, you guys are not going to be cooking. It's nice and warm. Now, there are 3 thermal pools in the complex, that massive waterfall, a couple of restaurants, and a hotel. The complex opens at 6:30 a.m. and closes at 11:30 p.m. The cost to enter is 41,000 Colombian pesos, which is about $10 at the time of this recording. Now, if you want to chill, relax, and vibe, go early in the mornings. Obviously, the earlier you go, the more of it you're going to have to yourself. Afternoons, you'll see more couples and families. And if you want more of a party vibe, it's best to go at night, preferably on the weekends, where the music is loud and the pools are full. Now, there's also a hotel on the premises. However, I did not visit it, but I've heard that the hotel is surrounded by nature. It has hot springs and a waterfall of its own that are just exclusive to its guests. Now, when going to the hot springs, make sure you bring a towel, flip-flops, some money, and some sunscreen. And plan to be there for a couple hours or more. The time seems to get away from you when you're there. So, if you are visiting Colombia or making plans to visit, the Termales de Santa Rosa de Cabal is worth a visit. Thanks for tuning in, fellas. Take a look at some of the video, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.